Saveedros. Oh my gosh. What are you doing up there?
Time to reset all materia.
Saveedros can't believe he did that. Just because we haven't got the Atrus all fixed up yet. He's making fun of us.
Atrus. So sorry to interrupt you, Atrus, but Saveedros left another one of those stupid joke videos in the projector again. These lessons need a lot of work still. Yes. Thank you. I just sent my twin up here and she was very surprised to find him. Yes, really. Okay, well, I'll see you later. Gotta go back to Amateria and try it again. Let me know when a correct message is imported. Okay, thank you. And Atrus, tell Saveedros, lay off. People, you left the elevator up. Saveedros, you locked the doors. I know that they didn't do that. Only Saveedros would do that. Out we go again. Thank you, Neela. Get my notes here. The new symbol. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Good. Okay. Here we go. Jump down from the ladder. Oh, Catherine, tell my sister I'm on my way. Thank you.